Here's how to download TikTok Live Studio. This is useful if you want to start live streaming directly from your PC. First, open your web browser and search for Download TikTok Live. Press Enter, then open the official download page from the search results. Once you're on the download page, click the red Download for Windows button. After the download is complete, open your browser's download section in the top right corner and launch the executable file. When the installer opens, click Install Now and wait while the program is installed on your computer. After the installation finishes, click Open to launch TikTok Live Studio. The first thing you'll need to do is connect your TikTok account. Click the login button and sign in using your TikTok username and password. Alternatively, you can use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on the screen and complete the login through the TikTok mobile app. Once you've successfully signed in, click Get Live Access. You'll then be asked a few questions that help TikTok Live Studio configure the recommended settings for your setup. After answering the questions, you will be taken to TikTok Live interface. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.